Here's a security puppy. Hey, puppy. Hi, puppy. View his face. Come on, puppy. Go run. Yeah, view his face. Hey. View his face. Got the camera. Isn't he cute? He's very cute, isn't he? He's our security puppy. Right, puppy? Is he cute as Strawberry 5/16's puppy, as you saw in her videos? He's the cutest puppy. Woohoo! He's very energetic. He doesn't even like to sleep. Good boy. Good boy. Here he is again. Good puppy. His name is Hooper. I should say to you. He's very cute, but he's very big.
Watch out for all the poop out there.
I know he will. Oh, there he goes. Oh, that was cool. Good boy. Run! Run, Hoopy, run! Come here, Hoopy! There he goes! Whee! There he goes, running again. He's a very good dog. But he's bad. What did you do? Take his head off? No. Come on, Hoopy! Oh, he's taking a poop. He's taking a poop. He's taking a poop. And he just went poop. The end. We hope you enjoyed the Hooper. Now we are going to make one more